Hey friends! Do you use a desk pad on your workstation? In this video, we will unbox my new Nonslip desk mat from Marvelistic Studio. Check out the links in the description box below. You can order this from Amazon for a quick delivery. Inside the box comes with this card that has Pepper Girl artwork by Artgerm, a very talented anime and manga artist. The desk pad has been rolled and wrapped up nicely, perfect to give as a gift. I chose pink in 36 by 17 inches, which is the biggest size because I tend to use all the space on my desk. There are other colors to choose from. Currently it's available in pink, black, blue, and gray. What I love about this desk pad is it has a smooth surface for mouse movement, and it's also easy to clean. I just wipe it with any cloth and then let it air dry. You'll also see this Pepper Girl embossed on the desk pad, which is an exclusive design of Artgerm. The back has suede material, which prevents the desk pad from slipping on any surface. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.